Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign in to the Google account that owns the calendar, then open Google Calendar in a desktop browser. Mobile often lacks full sharing controls. Once done, locate the calendar list at left and hover to reveal 3 dots. Click Settings and Sharing. This opens the exact controls you need. Make sure you are the owner or have Make Changes permissions, because publishing requires owner-level or change permission to proceed without errors. Now you'll configure visibility and what the public sees. In Settings, find Access Permissions and decide. Check Make Available to Public to publish broadly, or use Share with specific people for controlled access. Once selected, use the drop-down to pick See Only Free/Busy or See All Event Details. This controls privacy of event titles and descriptions. Make sure to save changes automatically applied. Then copy the public URL or embed code shown below. If you need embedding, finish by exporting the public link or embed and verifying the result. Copy the public URL or iframe code from Integrate, then open an incognito window or sign out to view the calendar as a public user. Once verified, paste the embed into your site or share the link. If it's not visible, double-check calendar ID and access permissions, and make sure your Google Workspace admin hasn't blocked public sharing. If so, contact your admin. This is the most common blocker and usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.